Okay. Oh, hi, I'm Santana. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, welcome back to my channel. They were doing more hair dyeing videos because I am impulsive. Okay, so, I don't even know what to say. My hair has been going through it, and so have I mentally. Oh, I got the septum piercing. This is new. So as you can tell, I've been going through it mentally. I've been craving a change. I have been unsatisfied. I have been needing something different in my life. So I got this piercing, and it wasn't enough for me. So as you guys, if you've seen my last few videos, or if you, I don't know, if you've seen my hair dyeing videos, you would know that I tried to split dye my hair. So my hair is actually two different colors. You can tell on camera, but like in person, it's not that noticeable. And like even like this, it's like really not that noticeable. It's not that big of a difference. So I kind of don't like it that much. I would have to go lighter for it to be more noticeable, but that means I'd have to like bleach half of my head. And that means that if I want my hair to all be the same color again, I'd have to bleach the other half of my head. So I don't want to do that. I don't want to bleach all my hair, but I do need to do something different, and I do want to go lighter. So I'm gonna hop on the bandwagon, probably a little late, realistically. People watching this video are probably like, you can do that now? Like, I'm late to this trend. I'm a couple months late, and I'm gonna look just like everyone else because I've been seeing literally everyone with this hairstyle. But the thing is that I've noticed every single person who does this hairstyle looks good. I have not seen a single hair color, hair type, skin tone that it did not look good on. So y'all better not play with me. So yeah, I'm gonna do that today. So very sporadically, I decided to go to Sally's Beauty, and I bought this little bottle of 30 volume developer, and they didn't have a lot of powder options, and I asked her, the lady in the store, which powder was the best, and she said, oh, the ones that we're out of. So I just grabbed this random one. It's just a powder. It has argan oil in it. That's why I chose it. I thought maybe it'd be a little less scary, but this is like just a one-use type of thing because I'm only going to be doing these parts of my hair, I believe. So I didn't want to get like a lot. That's why I just got a small bottle. I really don't know what I'm doing with my hair. My hair's about to be 3 different colors. This might look really cool or really stupid. Fingers crossed it looks really cool. But yeah, I just wanted to bring you guys along because you guys are always there with me, help me do my hair by myself. Well, not always by myself. You're always with me to support me while I'm making these random sporadic decisions. So thank you. Yeah, let's just stop. Let's just go. Let's just do it. Another thing is I didn't buy any what's it called? Toner. I didn't buy a toner because I didn't want to spend more money. So this might turn out really brassy and ugly. We'll see. I might have to go back and get a toner.
What's going on here?
Just telling them about what I'm about to do. Oh my god, I also forgot to add that they didn't have any bowls at Sally's to mix it in, and they only had these brushes that were like $3, and I didn't want to pay that much just for a brush that was literally only going to use one, so I'm just going to use my fingies with the gloves, and we'll figure out something to mix it in. But this is like real DIY, at home, working with what we got. So, god, I'm just really hoping for the best. Go away! Ugh. There is a fly in here, and I already know. Do you see that? Now Yang's trying to attack it. Get it, Yang. Oh shit, murk that fool. He can never kill him. I don't know why. He always goes that flies in. Okay. Anyway. Okay, we're out here in the bathroom with all the supplies, I think. I have a comb, foil, the cup I'm gonna mix the bleach in. I hope that's okay. Toothbrush, old toothbrush I'm gonna use to mix the bleach because I don't know what else to use. Gloves, of course. So I'm just gonna part my hair, I guess. I have these grown out bangs, but they're actually not cut evenly on both sides. I don't know if I should only do the bangs or if I should include like a little bit other hair. I don't know. I'm gonna part it and I'll come back. Somehow on this side when I cut my bangs, I did it in a perfect part, but this side What the hell happened here? I fixed the part, they weren't even. It's kind of far back, I'm realizing, but I can't think too much about this. Our Yingy just wants to hang out with me. Just gotta get out of this bathroom or he will suffocate. I don't even know. This fly is loud. Shut up. Okay, anyway, so you have the lightning powder. It says to empty the whole packet into the bowl, add 2 fluid ounces of developer, and mix it. And then you just do it. So, seems pretty straightforward to me. It says use 2 fluid ounces, this bottle. Happens to be 4. Oh my god, that's so clutch. So I just empty half of this in there. That's basic math. I did graduate from high school. Cheers. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up and I'll be back when we're getting started. I should probably get some foil squares ready ahead of time so that way I'm not struggling as much. I don't know what I'm doing. Everything is ready, so I guess it's pretty much time to get started. I'm nervous. Here we go. Smells kind of good. Okay, so I'm gonna do each half in 3 sections just so I can make sure that I'm actually getting all the hair saturated. I think I've just watched enough hair videos to just know how this is supposed to go. Oh, get off. I hope I'm getting it in there enough. That's what she said. You know what? You understand what I'm doing here. Let me finish this up and then I'll be back. This is what we're working with. Not perfect, but it'll do. Anyway, so it is 5:52. I'm gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes and then check up on it. I also forgot that I have to take into account the fact that this half of my hair is darker than the other side of my hair, so I might have to leave it on this side longer. I don't really know. I do know though that my hair picks up pretty fast because I have bleached my hair before with like bleach at the salon. So we'll see. I'll come back. I'll show you what we're rocking with. It hasn't even been 10 minutes yet, but I am so impatient. Holy crap. Yes, see it. I also don't know how blonde I want this to be. Whoa! Ooshy blonde. It looks kind of orangey, but not horrible. I think I might actually just go in and do all the roots and let it sit for another like 5 minutes. I don't know what I'm doing. Also, my battery's about to die. So if the quality goes back down, it's because I have to give you guys the content, but I can't charge the battery, okay? I'm gonna switch to my phone, okay? Anyway though, okay. I kinda like this color. I think I'm just literally gonna do the roots, let it sit for like 5 more minutes, rinse it out, see how it is, and if I really want it to be lighter, then I can just bleach again. That's what I'm gonna do, so I'll be back. Okay, I got bleach on my camera for you guys, but I just wanna show you. I just took this one out and then did the roots, but I want you to see, I actually showed you on the other side, but I want you to see what this side looks like. Definitely does not look as light as the other side. This one I'm probably gonna have to do for longer. Yeah, I don't think it's quite as light, so I'll probably leave this side in for a few minutes more at the end. But I'm gonna take all these out and then get the roots, wrap it back up, and I'll probably see you guys when I rinse this all out. Of course, as I'm doing my reveal, my camera died. Here, wait, let me actually. So, I'm gonna be looking in the mirror. This is what it looks like right now. It's definitely orange, obviously, very orange. I don't hate the fact that it's orange, like it's not like bothering me a lot. Over here, as you can see, this side is lighter than this side. I should have left this on a little bit longer. I also need to get closer in on the roots on this side. Okay, so I brought my hair all down just to see kind of what the vision's looking like, and I realized that only doing my bangs, it looks weird because it's not like framing my face all the way because it doesn't go down as far as the rest of my hair, so it looks weird. So I'm just gonna add in like just like one little piece from each side, so that way it'll even out the rest of the hair, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do that. I'm also gonna leave this side on a little longer and get up in the roots and fix all that. So yeah, oh god, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, bye. Okay, here's an update. This is what everything's looking like. I tried to do these longer pieces, but for some reason, they're just way harder to bleach. I don't know, I left it in pretty long. Yeah, these longer parts didn't dye too well, but they're definitely lighter. So, I just really don't know how I feel. I don't hate it. I don't dislike it. I like it. I like the concept. I just think I definitely need to tone it, and then I think it'll look a lot better. But for some reason, don't hate me for saying this, I don't completely hate the oranginess. I know it'll look a lot better when I tone it, but I don't think this orange is the worst in the world. You can see what I was trying to do here, kind of get it to incorporate more, but I don't know if that really showed up too well. Tomorrow I'm gonna go back to Sally's and I will be buying some toner, purple shampoo, some sort of something to hopefully lighten this up. I'll show you what this looks like when it's dry tomorrow or maybe later. I don't think this is the finished product. I'm gonna tone it and it's gonna look better. I don't know, but this is where we're at right now after bleaching it. Okay, it's the next morning. I know my hair looks crazy, but I just wanted you to see where we're at. Okay, don't come at me. I just woke up, okay? But yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty orange. The two pieces that I didn't really go, like the two longer ones, didn't really go blonde. They're more like a light brown, but I'm about to go back to Sally's and get some purple shampoo, toner or something. Yeah, and what was I gonna say? Oh, I was looking at it and I feel like it should have been a little less far back, but the way that my bangs were, like I kind of had to go kind of far back. I don't know. I'm gonna tone it. I'm gonna go to Sally's. I'll be back. All right, I went to Sally's. I got the shimmer lights because I've seen a lot of people use this. I'm pretty sure this is a good one because I always see people use this one, and it was cheap. And yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair now. Here's my before. For me. Okay, here's what it looks like. I did one round of purple shampoo and it still looks pretty orange. I only let it sit for like 5 minutes in the shower, so I'm assuming I probably need to do it for longer, like a couple more times, but this is what we're rocking with. So I guess I'm just gonna make this the end of the video because I don't know how much else I'm gonna do other than just keep purple shampooing it. I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for coming along on this little journey with me. I always appreciate you guys keeping me company while I destroy my hair. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and comment and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for 300 subscribers. Thank you. I love every single one of you guys, and I'm really excited to keep growing. So with all that being said, once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you on the flip.